Hey kitty cat. So I'm going to do a speed run. Enjoy. So basically today I'm going to just dance around and turn people, and let's see how that goes. This person has a lot short on their look, so I'm gonna fail trying to trade them something. Okay, I'm gonna trade them a pink short for their black short. This is totally a fair trade. Actually, just kidding, I'm gonna trade the pink short's tail. Because I realize I am, by the way. Okay. There are train. I'm gonna decline because I can. And let's look at my decks. Let's say, come to my den, please. Oh, we're doing green screen. Green screening time. Lol. Okay, I am back. Yes, finally. Okay. Alright, so you guys can't see this, but we're recording our green screen. You like this look? You like this look? To use. You guys are gonna see your links and start dancing. Alright. I guess she likes my links still. I was going to. Oh, okay. No, any look that I show in the vid. Any look I show. Okay, if you didn't see that video, basically any look you want, I will do. So, yeah. Alright then. So she's gonna watch the video because last time she shows my goat, and if you didn't watch the video, the goat wasn't on there, and you never saw my goat look, and it wasn't on the video. So you can't choose the goat for my main look. You're serious? I seriously looked on our screen. She was making a go intro. I'm like, no. I didn't choose a dance, please. Okay, I will dance, of course. Dance, please. Dancing, and now, this okay will not go away. Okay, alright, yeah, I'm in the basement, and yeesh, spot, you're keep on getting hurt. I'll do a face reveal someday, but, you know, at least I got a little bit ahead of myself and did a voice reveal. Like every YouTuber should do. You should not have your voice first. You should have your voice last. Alright, guys, enjoy this. Okay, so we're back. So I'm just dancing without my name tag. I'm going to move this. Oops, I actually stopped dancing for her. This is a beautiful way how to dance. Ah! Ooh! Dance. I am. Maybe she can't see that I'm dancing. Please. I am. God, she can't see on her screen. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys while she's recording the intro. Very fail. And also, since I put this on the floor, frick would I do that? My poor new sail is now all dirty. So I'm just gonna do this and while it's recording. Ah. What? God, it's all dirty. And also my No, that's right. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Should I go? Also, my Send me a song. Send me any song. I don't care. I don't care. It is an intro contest after all. It doesn't matter what song it is, unless also, I'm going to have this huge video. I'm not going to have any voice. It's not because I'm scared or anything anymore. It's not because you're going to see all these intros and it's sad. Who's at my den? Oh, yay. Oh god, I was gonna put you guys. Well, you guys don't know my numbers. You don't know anything. So, if you guys hack me, this is gonna be a fun ride to my hacking experience now. Yay, my first hacking experience. Just kidding, not my second hacking experience. I forgot that I had more than one. So it says a blackout spike. I have one too. Thanks for noticing. What were a silver spike? Mine was hacked. Okay, so I hope you